And now for breaking news. The worldwide has spread to the whole of the UK, with thousands reported dead and missing. The Prime Minister has declared a state of emergency, and now all heads of state, foreign dignitaries and any royal family members have now been taken to a secure location where they're now discussing ways to prevent this from spreading further. In the meantime, we are mobilising evacuation measures in order to save any survivors from the UK. I can now cross over to Sally live, who's reporting from 10 Downing Street. Sally, how are things where you are? I don't know what to say. It appears we are having a few technical difficulties. Hopefully we'll hear from Sally shortly. I'm getting a lot of feedback here. The studio are telling me to kind of speed things up. I believe we're getting more information. The scenes locally here can only be described as wait. I can now report the catastrophe was caused by